How to take an Xbox 360 controller apart. Look, so basically this is the controller, and you've got the model number in here, which is, what's that? Well, hold on, wait. 1 minute, let me just do this, and you can have it. Play back again, look. Hey? Right. Hold on, wait, let me just get into this. There we go, look at that, look. I'm straight off, look. There you go. And there you have inside the controller. And the screw I was taking out was here. There you have one here, one here, one here, one here, one there, and one there, which is there. And that is the Xbox 360 controller. And it looks a bit dirty in here, look. Wow, crazy. But I'm having the issue where basically it's not connecting through the charger properly. So I've modified mine. Look. This one. I have the battery pack and stuff, which is here. So I'll come back when I've done a bit more on it. Okay.